Hi everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library, bringing you another Crafty Monday. I'm going to show you how to make a cute little elephant out of pipe cleaners. So let me turn my camera down so you can see. So if you come to the library, you're going to get some pipe cleaners, and you will need at home some scissors, and you're going to need a marker or something. I'm using this stick, but a marker would actually work better. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take one of your pipe cleaners, and you're going to wrap it around your marker like a coil, like this. And you want to leave a little bit for a tail, so I'm actually going to leave this little bit up. So I'm going to coil the rest around, just like that. And then I'm going to slide it off. And then you can get rid of your marker or whatever you're using, so it kind of looks something like this. So I've got a little tail and a little coil. Now you're going to take another pipe cleaner and you're going to cut it into thirds. And this doesn't have to be exact, but as close as you can to thirds. We also can make adjustments as needed. So you can tell mine are not perfect. One is a lot longer than the other, but that's okay. We'll make it work. So we're going to attach the 1/3 to the front of the trunk. So I'm going to put it through like this. And fold it over and twist, just like that. So here's my tail. Just going to fix that guy a little bit. Then we are going to take our other pieces and we're going to make the trunk. So I'm going to put one of these thirds through the side like this, and I'm going to twist it together in a trunk shape like this. So pinch the end and then twist, something like that. And then I'm going to push this end down so it looks a little bit better. So there's one chunk. And my tail's kind of moved, so I'm actually going to flip it this way. Now I'm going to take the other third and do it on the same side, the other side. So I'm just putting it through this loop, kind of rounding it out, and then I'm going to pinch the ends on the other side, just like I did before. So then I'm also going to kind of tuck it in so it doesn't point out like that. And then you can kind of finagle your body a little bit. So here's the ears, here's the body. And we're going to take another pipe cleaner. So you should have 3, and you're going to cut another pipe cleaner in half. And again, you might be able to cut more as needed. Okay, so we're going to put this through the bottom of the coil like this, and we are going to make the legs. So we're going to bend them down like this. Do the same with the other one. And I lost my tail a little bit there. Bend it down. So we're starting to look like an elephant here. Now, you may need to cut your legs a little bit. Mine is actually standing up fine, but if you're finding like it's not balanced, you can cut up the legs a little bit more. Like this leg is a little bit longer. So I'm just going to fix mine a little bit. I'm going to point out around the tail so you can see the tail, see my 4 legs, and I'm going to push the trunk up a little bit more. So if you wanted to, I might just snip a little bit off the legs just to make it a little more even. And I actually might have made it worse by doing that. Oh, there we go. So there's my elephant. And I actually have one more step, and I'll be right back. I almost forgot, you're going to get a pair of sticker eyes in your little kit. So you can add them to your elephant. I did try googly eyes, but I could not get them to stay, so I went for sticker eyes. And there you go. There's your cute little elephant with his trunk and his legs. So come by the library and pick up your crafts for Crafty Monday. Thanks, and I'll see you soon. Bye.